Hello friends, hope you all are fine. In today's tutorial I am going to share a new project on 8051 microcontroller which I named as electronic quiz project. In this project there will be a quiz system designed on 8051 microcontroller which I have used is 8089C51. In this project I have used LCD, keypad and virtual terminal as shown here in this Proteus software. I have already given tutorials on LCD, keypad and serial monitor separately using 8051 microcontroller, which you can see on my blog. I have also given the link in the description of this video where you can download the programming code and the simulation of this project. So let me first give a small overview of this project. In this project we are gonna play a quiz game where I have stored 6 questions in the database of this 8051 microcontroller, and on each play 3 separate questions will be asked from each user. There are 2 modes in this project which I named as mode 0 and mode 1. In mode 0 only single player can play this game, and he will be asked 3 questions and he has to answer these 3 questions via keypad, and if he gives the right answer then 5 marks will be added in his total marks, and if he gives the wrong answer then 2 marks will be deducted from his total marks. And if you select mode 2, which is a 2 player mode, in that mode there will be 2 players playing this game and will be competing with each other. In that case user A will be providing the answers via keypad while the user B will be answering the question via serial monitor, and serial monitor I mean using keyboard. So in mode 2 where 2 users are competing with each other, in this mode when question is displayed on the LCD and serial monitor, then the system will wait for the users to respond, and in order to respond you have to press the 0 key, and whoever presses the 0 key first he will be obliged to answer the question. Like suppose user A presses the 0 key first, then the system will ask the answer from user A. If he gives the right answer then 5 marks will be added in user A, while if he gives the wrong answer then 2 marks will be deducted from his total marks, and then system will move to the user B in case if user A gives the wrong answer. Then user B will be asked the same question and he has to reply, but in that case no marks will be deducted if he gives the wrong answer, but if he gives the right answer then 5 marks will be added. So now I'm gonna play this video so that you get the practical overview of this project. So here it is, and you can see let me start again. First of all, electronic quiz, the engineering project, which is our website. So here we have welcome to electronic quiz project designed by the engineeringprojects.com. So now it's asking for select mode. Either you can select 0 or 1, 0 for single player mode and 1 for 2 player mode. Now first of all we are gonna do the single player mode. So I'm pressing 0 here. Now it's saying start, and now we have question number 1. So question number 1 is displayed on the LCD. Because I have selected the 0, so single player mode is selected and we have nothing on the virtual terminal on our serial monitor. So now I have to answer this question 3, 8, 15, 24, 35. So the right answer for this question will be I think 48. So I'm giving it 45, 49 and 11, and there must be 13 digits added, so it will be 48. So I'm pressing 2. So question number 2, it asked the question number 2. So at infinity it should be either 1, so it could be anything. So I'm pressing, oh wait, I have the results here. Anyways, I'm giving 1. So now it's question number 3, and in question number 3 there comes 30, and its answer is 1, so I'm giving it 1. So your marks are 1 by 15. These are the marks I got, and it is also displayed on serial monitor. 1 out of 15. Actually I don't know the answers so that's why I have got the quite low marks, 1 out of 15. Okay, anyways, so now we need to press any key on the keypad to restart our system. The first phase is completed, so I'm pressing 0 key. Now again it's asking for mode selection. Before we have seen the single player mode, so that's why I selected 0. Now I'm gonna do the 2-player mode, so I'm gonna select 1. So I'm selecting 1, and it's again saying start. Now you can see this time it's asking questions from both sides. So I'm gonna select keypad. So keypad responded first, so that's why it's asking the keypad to answer this question. So the question was 41014. What should be next? It should be 0. So I'm giving it answer 4. Oh, my question is wrong, answer is wrong, so it's now user B turn. So user B here, so I selected 0 here, which was wrong. So now I think it should be let's say 1. So I'm gonna give it the option 1, and now it's asking for question 2, and question 2 here is again that one. So I'm giving it any answer like 2. Oh sorry, first I have to select. So let's say I select here 0. So now it's giving the chance, the system is giving the chance to user B to answer. So I'm gonna answer here is from using keyboard. Now I have to give answer using keyboard. I'm giving it 1. So it's again wrong, so it's now user A turn, and user A here let's say 2, and it's going to third question. So again I'm responding from keypad, which is user A. So I'm saying I know the answer and I'm ready to answer this question. So system moves to user A. So here I'm gonna select what's the question, 10, 21, 33, 46, and it's 75. So I'm gonna answer 4, which is a right. So it didn't ask the keyboard to answer that question. So here I got, user A got 2 marks, while the user B got -3 marks. So obviously user A won the competition. So that's how it's working. So I think you have pretty much got the idea how I'm doing this project. So there's select mode. So again you can see select mode 0 or 1, and it will again start continuing. So that's all for today. You can get the code and the simulation from the link given in the description of this project, and you can also read more tutorials on our blog on 8051. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this quiz game. I'm sorry I didn't answer correct answers for these questions. Anyways, take care, have fun. I am unable to stop this video. Okay, bye.